Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to be taking a closer look at departments. While we ask you to create at least one department as part of the onboarding, as we know, most organizations tend to be comprised of multiple departments. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add new ones, edit your existing ones, or even delete old ones that are no longer in use. Now, a department inside a Vacation Tracker is where you manage the approval flow between approvers and users. And most companies tend to set this up based on their own organizational structure, with managers being the approvers and employees being the users. Once you've logged into your Vacation Tracker account, you're going to navigate to that left-hand menu. There is a section under Team and Approval Flows that is labeled Departments, and once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page with all the existing departments in your account. To create a new department, you're going to click on the button appropriately labeled Create New Department. Next, you're going to decide on a name for your department and which users are part of this department. There will be a drop-down menu where you can select all the users that are currently on your Vacation Tracker account. In the next section, you decide the approval flow. You can choose to have a single level approval or a multi-level approval where the request must go through multiple stages before getting a final approval. Once you select your approval flow type, next it's up to you to add your approver using that same drop-down menu with the list of all your users. As part of the approval flow, you can also choose to notify any interested stakeholders of any approved requests, rejected, or even edited ones. All you need to do is enter their email in this Watcher section right here. There are a few other options before clicking on Create, including whether or not you want to make this leave request expire. If you check yes, then it will stay open until a decision is made, but if you click no, then it will automatically expire after 7 days. You can also choose to make your department default, and what that means is that essentially any new user added to your Vacation Tracker account will be added to this department. And lastly, you can choose to make this a sub-department, basically creating a nested structure with this being the sub-department and the department you choose here being the parent department. Once you're happy with all the settings, you're going to click on Create Department, and now your department has been created and added to your Vacation Tracker account. If you want to make changes to an existing department, you just need to click on said department and click on the Edit Department button right here. And all the settings we just previously selected are now easily adjustable. If you'd like to delete a department, all you need to do is click on the 3 dots to the right of a department and click the Delete button, and a pop-up will appear to confirm the deletion. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about departments and how they work inside a Vacation Tracker, then make sure to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering this subject in much more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever with setting up departments in your own account, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.